Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like USD and Swiss franc. So today in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Swiss franc for 25th Feb 2021 only. Okay, today is Thursday and this analysis is valid for Thursday only. Okay, tomorrow I'll come down again with tomorrow's analysis, but this video is for today only. Okay, and we can see on the screen that market is trading at 9060, 0.9060, and after this beautiful uptrend market got some resistance at this particular point of 9094. Okay, and after the market started going down, but again market somewhat got a support at the 50 period moving average. Okay, but right now market is not giving us a clear picture. Around 2 hours back, market tried to go up. Okay, you can see the market tried to go up. We can look at this candle. Okay, just look at this week. We cannot ignore this week. Market tried to go up, but there was some price rejection. So market again had to come down and settle on the 50 MA. Right now market is trading above the 50 MA. So what shall we do today? I'll tell you, this though market is in beautiful uptrend. Market is trading above 50 period moving average. Okay. Still I'll tell you that we cannot ignore this week, or you should not ignore this week. Okay. So your safest, if you ask me, what will be the safe position? Okay, your safe position will be to initiate a trade above this level only. That means 9095, above 9095 will be your best position, because you can right now you can go ahead and start a position here also, because market is trading above the 50 moving average. But it is very important to protect your capital. It is about discipline. Okay, without discipline you cannot protect your capital, and if you cannot protect your capital you cannot make profit. Okay, therefore you should not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Okay, trade from level to level so that you can make money. Okay, and to make money you should have discipline. Though market is trading about the 50 period moving average, but see the price rejection. Try to understand the psychology of the market. This means that sellers are still present in the market, who are not allowing the market to go up, or who will not allow the market to go up easily. Okay, there is a tug of war going on right now, and the sellers are also in good form. Okay, so what should you do now? You should wait. Okay, if you want to, if you're a risk taker, if you have got big risk appetite, then you can go ahead and buy here. Keep your stop loss below this box, somewhere around here you can buy. Okay, but your ideal position will be buy above this. I'll not say that go ahead and buy above this also, because if you buy here again you will be getting resistance at this point. Okay, suppose you buy at 909081, again after 10-15 pips you will be getting resistance at 9094 or 95. Okay, so your ideal position will be to initiate a trade above 9095 or 94. Okay, and in case market comes down, okay, in case market slips here, then also you can short the market. If you see that selling pressure is very high, uh, there are some new sellers who have joined the market and they are in good pressure. Okay, if the trend completely changes, then you can short the market below this box. Otherwise you should not short the market, because we can see that overall trend of the market is up. Okay, and we all know it very well that we should not go against the trend is, this is a popular saying, right? Trend is your friend, trend is our best friend, trend is my wife, trend is my husband. It was jokes apart. This box is very crucial. Okay, if you spot some selling pressure, high selling pressure, then only think of shorting the market. Okay, otherwise no. And your best place to trade will be above this level, 0.9095. So this should be your strategy for today, 25th Feb 2021, Thursday. Okay, because right now market is in a critical position. Okay, so that's it with today's analysis. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about me, please visit my website. The link is in the description, and please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you want regular market analysis. Thank you so much.